This os.path.join bug has haunted Python devs for years. Passing a path ending in a slash flips the behavior unexpectedly and breaks cross-platform reliability. Imports the OS module to access operating system-dependent functionality, including path manipulation capabilities through its path submodule. Imports the path class from Python's modern pathlib module, which provides an object-oriented interface for file system path operations. Assigns the string literal containing a directory name followed by a / as the base path variable used in subsequent constructions. Assigns the simple string literal representing a file name component without any path separators as the file variable. Calls os.path.join passing base and file arguments, which concatenates them using platform-appropriate separators while preserving trailing slashes when present. Outputs a descriptive label followed by the value of p1 produced by os.path.join to standard output. Tests whether the string stored in p1 concludes with a / character using ends with method and prints the result. Creates a path object from the base string, then uses the division operator to append file, finally converting the resulting pure PySix path back to its string representation. Outputs a descriptive label followed by the value of p2 created via pathlib operations to standard output. Tests whether the string stored in p2 ends with a / character and prints whether the condition holds true. Use pathlib instead of os.path for reliable, predictable path concatenation, no trailing / surprises. Subscribe for daily coding videos.